Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Simply Girly. Now, if you're not familiar, Simply Girly is a beauty subscription. So it is mostly makeup that you get. She does usually throw in one piece of jewelry. It runs $10 a month. For me, with tax and shipping, it's $18.37 all in. And this is a pretty good little box. So let's see what I've got this month. Oh, but first, I want a giveaway. I watch Over 60 with Flair, and Janie has little questions that she likes you to answer every day. And if you're the first person to get the question right, then you get the earrings. And she's doing that all December. I will link her down below if you like. And here are my little earrings. Aren't they cute? My little, yeah, for Christmas. And speaking of Christmas, I am officially in the season. I went ahead and decorated yesterday, get ready for some Thanksgiving guests, and I thought it would be fun to be all holiday. So let's get back to the bag. So inside she includes some cards. This is thank you for supporting my small business. Here is her social info if you're interested. Now let's see what I got. Oh, here is the jewelry item. Let's see what that is. Looks like either a necklace or bracelets. Ah, okay, we have 3 bracelets. These are very fall or holiday colors. This one's cute. And then we've got this one. That one's very Christmassy. And then a leather looking one. You know, I bet my daughter would love these. I might have to put these in her stocking for Christmas. So let's see what else I got. Cute little bag, says thank you. We have Vincent Longo. This is an Illumina concealer pencil, Caramel number 6. Now this seems very familiar. I think I have this one already. Yes, let me see. It is a concealer pencil. You could probably use it for contouring or maybe even eyeshadow, but I do have one already. So that's kind of a bummer. I received a duplicate already. I've only been doing this one for about 3 months and I have a duplicate already. So this one, and by the way, there is a pencil sharpener in these. Vincent Longo includes pencil sharpeners. So there you go. Now I'm going to save this one for a future giveaway because I already have one. So I will pass this on to one of you. Put that in there. What else have we got? We have 3 more items. This is from Vincent Longo as well, Blue Raven Cream Gel Liner. Blue Raven, so this has got to be blue. Yes, there's a little dot there. It looks very blue to me. I don't want to touch it. Not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. And then next is Noccia. Noccia eyeshadow. Let's see what this one's all about. These are magnetic, so that's kind of cool. Oh, it looks a little broken. But whenever you have an eyeshadow that's broken, you just add water and then it'll solidify again. It brings it all together and solidify. So you can definitely save an eyeshadow if it shows up to your door broken. So we have that one, very pretty color, nice shimmer, nice neutral. And then the next one is Morning Glory. Oh, this one's all broken too. See there? But again, the little water trick, you can even use rubbing alcohol and do the same thing. So we received 2 shadows that were broken, so I'm not too crazy about that. I have a blue gel liner. I have a concealer pencil, a duplicate, and some bracelets. So not too crazy this month, but let me tell you, these shadows are really pretty. You just do the little trick with rubbing alcohol or water and it will re-solidify. The blue liner, that might be kind of fun. I've never used a gel liner, so it might be kind of fun to try it. And then we got the bracelets, which I will probably give to my daughter. So not all is lost in this bag. And for $10 a month, I think it's a pretty good deal. Like I said, I'm not too crazy about this month. But next one I'm sure will be better. So on that note, I also want to wish everyone a very happy Thanksgiving. I do hope you have a good day. I appreciate you watching, and I will see you soon.